place winner is not here with us. She has to work. Our third place winner, though, is Cindy. Good job. And Heather, second. Almost right there. Almost. Good job. So just a few words, Cindy. A few words about the challenge. Why, you know, what did you do? How did you get third place?
I have no idea. But I love the challenge and I'm really good at the challenge.
Good job. And Heather.
Motivation to beat Shannon.
That's it. That's it. That's it. All right, Ann. So, come out here. Don't stop it. Okay. So I want everybody to get together. This is my morning crew for most mornings. Get in there. Get us a shot. Get in there. Get in there. Get where you can see. Get where you can see. Here we go. Oh, look at those ladies. Wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you. And let's get started and bring some thunder. Woo! Thunder! There you go. We got the client of the month over here pumping at 30 pounds on the rack. How you feel, B? Woo! Look good. Okay, stop. Fast on the feet. So make sure you get up in the early morning hours to do this.
My arms, I guess.
Right on. Look at those guns. Seriously. Woo! Good job. And switch. Oh, yeah. Then we got the yoga move. Heather doing yoga move. Finding the zen. Thank you for the great workout. Made it through.
You're going to need it. We worked arms really hard today. Okay, take it to the right shoulder.
Hung in there.
Take it to the left shoulder.
Hey!
Are you videoing a picture?
Video.
I was going to say something inappropriate.
Oh, I was videoing. No.
Take your left arm and stretch it over across.
Very good. Oh. Good job, Cindy. Good job. Good job. Good job. See, she doesn't even do anything. And look at the horseshoe. Look at the cut. Then we have Dee, are smiling all the time. She even smiled during all the pain and misery. She always smiles. All the time!
Okay, take it to the right and twist it.
And Karen's just used to this thing after 3 years. She loves it so much.
Okay, take both feet out.
So does her daughter.
Reach
Her
to
daughter
your
loves
toes.
it so much.